Hey guys, welcome back. In this last video of this beginner series, I'm going to talk about how to create thumbnails and how to use them using a link or something like that. How to style them. So as you can see, I have a container tab, and inside the container I have the row. So inside a row, I'm going to create a div with the a class of call sm6, and also I'm going to have call md3. So I'm going to explain this later on, and we have inside this I'm going to add my thumbnail. So I want my thumbnail to be a link, so I'm going to create an anchor tag with a reference of nothing, and the class will be thumbnail. So this class is going to make the image a thumbnail. So inside the image I'm going to put the image source, using the img tag. And as you can see, if I go to my project file, there are 4 images that you can see. First one is desktop, Dropbox, project files.png, and temp.png. I'm going to use these files to make sure. So I'm going to go to my Sublime Text, and the first one is desktop.png. Make sure to name it properly with an extension. And I'm going to put the alt text to, let's say, my desktop. What is alt text? Alt text is, if you are having a slow internet connection, so the alternative text or the alt text is, if the image is not able to load, so the alt text allows you to, read the text instead of the image. So that is the alt text, and it's used in, search engine optimization to optimize your images as well. And you don't have to close the image tag with a / sign. You just have to put this opening image tag, and inside that you can put the source. You don't have to close it. So I'm going to save this and preview in the browser. As you can see, this is my first image, my desktop image, and as you can see, this is the link, and I can put whatever link I want inside here. So I'm going to copy this whole thing 4 times. Okay, so first one is the thumbnail, second one is the, let's say, project files .png, third one is my Dropbox folder, and fourth one is the temp folder. And I'm going to change this. So I'm going to save this and preview in the browser. As you can see, we have 4 files with 4 things with thumbnails, and you can press the button and go wherever you want. So that's it for the thumbnail. And if you go to a Bootstrap official website and go to components, and inside components we have this thumbnail option, and as you can see, we have already done this. Now you can see there is this custom content. You can also add the thumbnail, and beneath that thumbnail you can add a header, add a paragraph text, and add buttons. This is the code of it. Let's say I'm going to create one. You can create the others on your own. We have to copy this, and I'm going to paste it inside the first one. I don't need the anchor tag now anymore because as you can see right here, the image is not a link. So I'm going to remove the anchor tag, and I'm going to put the class of thumbnail inside another div tag. So I'm going to create div with a class of thumbnail, and I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to copy all this content and paste it right after the image. So as you can see, we have a copy this div class of caption used to create that effect, that thing, and inside that we have this h3 tag with a thumbnail label. You can add whatever label you want, for example desktop label, and we can add whatever text. This is my desktop, and as you can see, inside the paragraph tag I have created a link of buttons, btn primary, that's the blue button with a roll of button, and we have another anchor tag, another link with a button of default. So I'm going to save this and preview in the browser. As you can see, this is now the image is not a link anymore because we have removed the anchor tag from the image, and desktop label. This is my desktop, and this is the default one, and this is the primary one, and this is the default one. So you can add this to all four of them. So that's it for the thumbnail. There is nothing more to discuss about this in Bootstrap documentation. That's it for the course. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this series, and in the next in the next coming videos, I'm going to be talking about creating a whole responsive website from scratch using Bootstrap. I'm going to start with a little download and installation again, and it's going to take 2 minutes maximum, and then we're going to start creating the whole website from scratch. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and if you like the video, please subscribe.